not you. Rip.
Come on, let's go.
It smells like hardware.
That's industrial tape.
Hey, where's my purse? Better be something good in there.
Yeah, I'm at home.
Probably it's empty. Oh, it better not be, Jessica. That would be fun. You don't get to stay
Hurry
with
up. Dang. Pour some of that shampoo on it.
No, it's not empty. I was gonna do that, but then my dad wouldn't
My
let
camera
me.
died, so you were at 47 seconds.
She's at 55 now. Hi, Geety.
Yeah.
No, don't help her.
A little
No,
tear. Just
no.
a little bit.
Let her do it.
Little tear.
Where's my head
I love
garment?
me.
What does blue mean?
Overly happy, overly excited.
Okay. Overproductive tears.
What?
Carol, let's go. You're at 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Good. It's gonna take forever.
I love this movie.
I love my daddy's tape.
What happens if I can't open the box?
Then you don't get your
Tails will
present.
explode into a dog. Make your choice.
Live or die.
Don't hit my man again.
How much blood are you willing to lose?
I don't think it's blood. I think it's self-conscious.
Yo, Katie, yours is about right.
Katie's just sitting there.
No, she made comments. Just one little tear.
No!
Just one.
Daddy, no!
Van Keys doesn't count.
Ew.
No?
She's gonna stab people with that. We need to go home after this.
Here, let me...
2:17.
Back off.
Use the house key. What can you do?
2 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Daddy,
If I laugh one more time, I'm gonna explode. I'm gonna like let it all out.
Go
I'm
to
gonna
the
like,
chair.
oh again.
Go to the potty, Manda.
You can even get it.
I'll go to the men's room.
Okay, I can do it. I can do the rest of it. Maybe. Okay.
You're almost not there, but keep going.
You're halfway there. No, what I should have done. Aw, I just know what I
Turn
should
the
have done.
cardboard over.
It's like trying
I
to
should have
make
put like $1
a
in there.
one-legged
Just
man.
present. That's about it.
Okay, I already, saw that.
You open it upside down.
Oh. Put your head in.
Yay!
Where's my necklace? Already,
There's nothing else in there.
Yay!
Tell her, Jess.
She knew.
I
You
knew.
can't keep a secret. I know.
I went with her. Here, put it on. Me.
Oh.
Not you.
Okay, are we done? Are we done with the horrible present opening?
That was brilliant. Shut up. Yes.